All right, let's get started. Let's find the best opportunities we can get. So gap and go over 70 could potentially give a good move. And it's in my test trade and it just runs. Wow. So sending my test trade and then trying to get the next trade in. All right, holding up. 70 was a good spot. FGI. 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 What's it gonna be? Not quite there. We'll wait. All right, we're gonna see this resume. 5 seconds. Um, to be honest, this is pretty crazy there. So level 2 is impossible to read. We've got a lot of stuff going on here. 250 on the bid. So all the way down there, grabbing all this liquidity. It's right up here above 3. Now the real question is new low or or a hold and push. Um, we could retest these gaps here, potentially 30s. New low here could be good. 5 minute looks 5 minute looks pretty bad, I must say. Daily, it's not bad. Daily, we could go a little higher. So shorts want to see a new low here. 68. I'm actually gonna 400 is good. 50, 45. Nice. Now get back over 50. So it got back over 50. Mm, possibly. New low would be ideal too. So got back over 50. I could have done it there. Shorts want to see a new low. Okay, that would have worked. Seems like. Hmm. I would want to see something more aggressive, so here we go. So we could either get first candle new high over 75, which I will take a little less size, or we could try to get a new low and see how well that holds. I would go for a new low so I can size up a little more. So we're just sitting here over 75. No, rejected ones. So two times there. There it is. I don't know. It seems like shorts haven't really stopped out here. Based on this move here and this rejection, shorts actually stopped out. Some of these ones probably did stop out here. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Could be that we get a new low. It's grinding. Try to go through 85. There it is. So shorts want to see a drop here. They want to see a drop. So it's important we see a drop here. 62. So if I was short, I'd be looking for a drop there down through 60. That would tell me, okay, this thing needs to drop now. Or it might be holding strong. So what's it gonna be? So we didn't get that drop, so that means longs are pretty strong on this. Longs are pretty strong on this. Here we go, over 85. Yeah, I'll get in here. Nope. Shoot. Okay. I got immediately rejected there. First candle new high. Ah, sucks. Immediate rejection, 85 to 74 too. It was like, bro, it was like immediate. All right, let's see if we can get now a better play. Shorts are still aggressive. That's good to know. The idea they are failed. There's still 5 seconds here. You can still get back over 85. There it is. So now back over there. That's what I'm saying. So it's kind of strange, but there you got it. So right idea, wrong time. Idea, wrong time. The way it's grinding, it's not the easiest thing to read. We had to see a new low, so I'm thinking we would see the high here, but it rejected. Nice. We're from the form a new imbalance. Let's go. Pullback candle to what level? Right there, 308, 310. Would like to see a nice pullback here. Under 310. This candle. 307, it's at low. Can I get a pullback? I'd like to see a pullback here in this next candle. Try to attempt to break. Attempt to break it. 28, 30. Bro, that's crazy. Okay, 30s. Yep, that move right there at 30s was probably it. Oh, that one was tough. All right, let's see this. 320. Wow. Immediate hold down. That's crazy. Here we go. Maybe we can see something interesting here. Through A10, possible push. 15 seconds. Ooh. Not quite. Through A20, I guess. Got a lot of resistance. So maybe a pullback would be ideal. 785. And then back over 80. Hmm. I would like to see that dip here if it plays out. Red VWAP, we could do it. Could do it here. 790. Back over 8. Came down by 3 cents. Doesn't seem too strong. Let's see, a little lower. A little lower. There's a seller there, 85. Okay. So, all of that is 86. Pretty volatile. Looking for this move. Okay, now we got to see a new low here. Or new high A10. Hmm. New low or new high? It doesn't seem like new high. Okay. It's teasing. It's teasing a lot. So it's teasing that push. It's failing. Here we go. New low, 85. So that low fails. This failed. This one failed. Okay, good. Now shorts want to see a new low here. Oh, they're not going to see it. A10 again. Mm, it's coming and going, coming and going. We didn't quite get to see a new low, a new strong low. It's kind of holding up there. VWAP is right at its head, 30, so not looking to take that. Back over there, 23, 20. I think we gotta see a new low. It just doesn't seem like it's strong yet for a breakout through VWAP. Looks like it went through very unexpectedly actually. New low there, 36. Wonder how well this is gonna actually hold. It's the real question. 37. 37, 38. Okay. Went lower by 1 cent. Mm, okay. I would maybe take another low here. Try to try to see if it wants to break VWAP and then reclaim it. Reclaim it like a boss. Come on. Reclaim VWAP. So VWAP is 36. Make that new low. Try to make that new low. Pull back. Hmm. 37. We have the imbalance here, so this is we're working with the imbalance. The imbalance is right of VWAP. We want to see this imbalance be stronger when it holds. There it is, 36, 35. Fine, I'll get in here, 36, 37. We're gotta give it a try. My idea is that it will hold 36. Here we got 30 seconds here. Come on. That attempt to break VWAP, it will not do it. It would hold. Let's see, I'm looking at the tape and I'm seeing some green there. Some potential green, so there might be some orders coming through there. There it is, 37, 38. Now we need to see this pick up. I love the green there. Good. Good, 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 good. So now through 39. I would get out flat here if it doesn't go. But I need to see this through 39, 40. Come on, taking half here. Yeah, and didn't work. So we're gonna have to see maybe a little lower. Took half there, and then the other half was just lost. So we got that low of 34. I think it's still in play. I want to see if this is actually going to be give another low, because shorts now definitely stacking over here. They're stacking themselves up here, not letting it break out. So well, that's 34. So it's just steady here. Inside candle's just steady. So we might see a nice attempt at the highs if we don't get a new low here. New low. We could still see the attempt at the highs if we reclaim here. Get the reclaim over 34. There's that reclaim over 34. So I need to see green here. Because shorts are stacking here. Shorts are stacking. 33 there. Mm, back over 33 perhaps. No, it's just going to be a loss there. We tried. It did try it right here, but it failed. PSQH here. Back over 520. That's new, so potentially could get interesting. So I'll get in here, 1920. Oh, I saw some green there. It could work. No, 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 no. Gotta give it some time there. Don't want to give it too much time because there. It is breaking. All right, well, we try to get that. It had good news. Looked like it was going to reclaim 20 there, but failed. Small size there. Not working. All right, 3 out of 3, Brad. If this ends up working, 486. Low, that was 486. Low, this 79. You son of a gun. If you end up working here. 86. 86. Oh, it's bouncy. Let's see what it wants to do. 88. Ah, you son of a gun. I knew it. I knew there was something there. Five. Son of a gun, bro. That was a trade right there. And that's it. But look at that. Failed miserably. All right. I'm gonna call it here, down 67 bucks. Giving back what I made yesterday, but yeah, it's still a decent week. Did I have a winning? Well, that test trade doesn't count. So we're gonna delete it. So we didn't have a winning trade at all today. So 3 out of 3, we are red, red. Sadly, 0% accuracy. That's not going to be good for our overall stats. But at least we kept it tight. We kept it tight here. This one game went a little bit out of hand, but PSQH, that's all right. Anyway, that's it for me. Nothing really to review. This is what you have. Worst loss was 30 bucks, which is not the end of the world. Yeah, not the end of the world anyway. All right, well, that's going to be the month so far. Hopefully we can extend our winnings for the rest of the month, and I think we will. I think we're having a good streak. Momentum has been pretty slow past couple of days. We are seeing some holds and some crazy moves, but nothing that fits my strategy. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free. 7-day free trial, free trading analysis tool. Check out all our features. Testimonials, people love it. $5 a month, 50 a year. Essentially the best analytics platform out there for beginner traders. All right. So thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.